Welcome to 4EVERLAND. It is a Web3 cloud computing platform that integrates storage, network, and computing as its core capabilities. The platform helps developers decentralize the front-end of their projects and data storage. Recently, 4EVERLAND launched Arweave hosting, allowing users to deploy their dApps on Arweave. It is a new type of storage that backs data with sustainable and perpetual endowments, allowing users and developers to store data permanently. So let's look at how to deploy a dApp with 4EVERLAND. First, you have to log into a platform using your MetaMask wallet. Then you can find a dashboard with main information on your hosting and bucket usage. Let's click on hosting on the left corner of the panel, and then find a project from a GitHub repository and click on import button. You can choose a hosting platform, so let's click on Arweave. Fill a project name and click on the deploy button. Deploying process usually takes a minute or so. It includes two phases: building and syncing to Arweave. When it has finished, you are welcome to share your project on Twitter, apply to join 4EVERLAND universe, and learn more about CLI. Let's click on the visit button. Here you can find a project deployed on Arweave. As you can see, everything works great. If we click on project details, we can find main data on the project and its main properties. Also, we'll find the project if we click on the project button. Front-end deployed on 4EVERLAND hosting with Arweave will exist permanently, without centrally controlled nodes and no single point of failure. It means that all users no longer need to worry about disappearance, hijacking, and tampering of the front end. We also built a dedicated gateway for products deployed with Arweave hosting by integrating the capabilities of RCD. The dedicated gateway enables global acceleration and provides a differentiated instant response service based on distribution of users, which effectively improves the efficiency and speed of access. Moreover, 4EVERLAND offers a real-time repository synchronization feature, which means that you can simply push your updates to your GitHub repository, and 4EVERLAND will automatically fetch the appropriate content and implement the updates on Arweave. With integration of Arweave into 4EVERLAND hosting, the deploying of Web3 project becomes as easy as deploying in Web2. 4EVERLAND teams aims to help users to make a smooth leap from Web2 to Web3 and does everything to become the infrastructure for millions of Web3 developers and applications.